Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to send contacts from Android to Android. Here are some steps to send contacts from one Android device to another. First method, using Bluetooth for single or multiple contacts. Open the Contacts app. On the sender's phone, open the Contacts app. Select the contacts to share. Tap and hold the contact to choose it, or select multiple contacts if needed. Tap the Share button. Look for the Share or Send option, usually a three-dot menu or share icon. Choose Bluetooth. From the sharing options, choose Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on both phones. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Pair the phones if needed. Send a contact file, VCF. Select the recipient's phone from the Bluetooth list. Then tap Send. Accept the file on the other phone. On the receiving phone, tap Accept to receive the contact file. Open and save the contact. Once received, open the VCF file, then tap on Contacts, then hit Always, or just once, then choose a Google account to add it to the contacts list. Now, your contacts are successfully transferred. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.